everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I thought that today I would do a little bit of a get ready with me, sit down, chit chat. I have my cup of tea. Walter is in the background scratching. Kind of talk through maybe a little bit what's been going on in my life. Hot, you know, all that stuff. I am drinking spearmint tea. Spearmint tea is very good for you. I just showered. I'm going to sadly put my hair up in a bun. And I'm not wearing this. I'm actually getting ready for a baby shower. Tonight is a baby shower, and I've never been to a baby shower at night. My face has already been moisturized, and I'm going to prime with my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Base Primer. I've never been to an evening baby shower, but I must say, I'm like so happy that it's in the evening because, I don't know, sometimes Saturdays are a really hard day. So I'm really looking forward to Thursday night baby shower. These past 2 weeks, I feel like I've been stuck in a little bit of a rut. And as you know, I've been doing VEDA. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Longwear foundation. I've been doing VEDA and I've been failing. I've just had a very like emotional month. Just a lot of personal things have been happening. Nothing like necessarily bad, but nothing that I can really get into. And then my Nana had a knee replacement surgery, and she was in the hospital way longer than we thought she was going to be. So that was not fun. So honestly, vlogging every day, I didn't really have it in me, and I really wasn't doing anything, and things that I would do were with other people that did not appreciate being filmed. So unfortunately, VEDA has kind of been a miss, but that's okay. I can't let that get me down. I've been kind of down lately, and I don't know. I don't exactly know why. I think there's just a lot that was going on emotionally, and I don't know. So I'm feeling better. So today I'm making this video, kind of get back in gear because I only have 2 weeks left before I start school. I think that's also been a really big source of stress, is that ultimately I love YouTube and YouTube is like my #1, but with school and I'm doing an internship, I'm kind of nervous that the thing that I love the most will fall to the wayscale. But I promise you, like, I will at least have 2 videos a week, and I'm probably going to go on an upload schedule so that you will know exactly when I'm going to be posting. I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape, the contour concealer, and I have actually been liking to use a brush to kind of smooth it out, and I've been using it as a eyeshadow base as well. I've also been stressed because school, my schedule is a lot crazier. Wow, that just looks so awesome. My schedule is a lot crazier than I thought it would be, but this is my last year, and I'm looking forward to it, but I'm not looking forward to the course load. I love my program. I'm in journalism, so it is like amazing, but at the same time, it's obviously a ton of work. I've also got so many ideas for videos, but I love to hear what you guys want to see and like ideas and things like that, because obviously I make videos that I would want to watch, but I also want to make videos that you would want to watch. And so if you ever think of a video that you want me to do or products that you want me to try, let me know in the comment section down below, because you know that's something that I really want to do. Next, I'm going to be moving on to my eyebrows. So I am still loving the Maybelline Tattoo Studio, but I lost the brush that I use with this because obviously I cannot use this thick thing. Maybe I can find something else. Oh my gosh, the brush is right here. Bedoy. I haven't been using it because I thought I lost the brush, no lie. But I guess I didn't. I just wasn't looking hard enough. gearing up to go to school. I feel like I've had a decent summer, but not like, I don't know, it's kind of like a lot busier than I thought it was going to be, in a good way. Well, okay, it was busier in things that I probably wish it wasn't, and then in things that I wish was busier and it wasn't. I don't know. I'm not having regrets, I'm just being honest, and maybe it's just the day. Like this past week I haven't been getting really good sleep, and I do not do well if I don't have my proper sleep. Let's go to my face. I right away need to warm up my skin because it is just pale. Okay, this is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. I haven't been setting my face because it feels really cakey, and this summer I've noticed my skin has totally changed. I used to have very, very oily skin, and now I'm starting to get like drier skin, which I don't like. So sometimes setting it just makes my face look cakey. I'm going to contour with my Charlotte Tilbury Sculpt and Glow bronzer. I'm gonna take my NARS Kabuki brush. I will say, the one thing I am very excited for is fall. Seeing all of this fall stuff out in the store, I feel like it came out extra early this year, but seeing it makes me so excited. I cannot wait. I'm still loving this Milani Coral Blush in Luminoso. I think this is so pretty. I love this. Dusty, and I kind of like pile this on. I like to take this blush and kind of sweep it all over my face to give me like a sun-kissed look. I don't know if it actually achieves that, but I think it does. Wow, my hair is crazy. Okay, for my eyes, I am going to go into this Charlotte Tilbury Bronzed Goddess, the Golden Goddess palette. And I'm just gonna take this like golden shade and sweep that all across my lid with this Real Techniques brush. Anyway, so yeah, fall. So excited for fall. Cannot wait. Fall is my favorite like season to dress for, but like no lie, I've talked about this in other videos, like I cannot wait for Christmas. As soon as fall is here, we might as well just jump to Christmas. Like I'm ready to celebrate. That's just who I am. Next, I'm actually going to go into this After Party palette from Hush Beauty. Well, this is actually by Bad Habit. Never used this, so I don't know why I'm trying it now, but I just thought I might. And I'm actually going to take this Morphe Y17 fluffy brush into Morning After and kind of warm up the crease that's dusty. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a very pretty shade. A fluffy brush, and just make sure to blend it all the way up. Next, I'm gonna keep it like pretty simple. I'm going to take this color Hairspray. I don't want to deepen up the inner corners too much because for me, I feel like that really closes off my eyes. And I want this to be kind of a day to night look. This one right here, that's really pretty. Nice, but it's not showing up the way that I want, so I'm gonna take my finger. Oh yeah, much better. Really pretty. I'm gonna commit and do liner, but I'm gonna have to face, look down. Okay, so that is done. My liner is on, and I'm gonna put on some mascara. This is my absolute favorite. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and I just think that this, for me, does like the best job. It gets right in there, and I really want to focus on the inner corner. But I don't like putting this on my bottom lashes because I think it's too clumpy. Or at least I can't figure out how to do it where it's not clumpy. So So I think I'm gonna go with the eyelashes. I'm already at this point. Let's just go all the way. So these are actually the All Ardell Faux Mink collection, but I basically like cut these in half. I don't know if you can see them. They're really pretty, but I cut them in half, and then I have been like absolutely loving, where's the glue? The Velour Company. I have a set of their lashes, but they need to be cleaned. If you have never used false eyelashes, they used to intimidate me so much and I could never figure out how to put them on. The trick is to get a mirror and look down, and you will get those babies on right every single time. Wow, that's like drama. I mean, there's not even any glue. Maybe these are too much. These definitely need a good clean, but they're so nice for everyday wear. Like they're, oh, I just pulled out a bunch of their lashes. Sugar. This is what they look like. And there's so much glue on them. They sit really nice on the eye. They just open them up. Okay, I'm gonna pop on these falsies. There's one, see, so natural, but they just add some depth. Last but not least, well, I still have lipstick, but I will do that after I'm dressed. I am going to pop on some highlighter, if I can find my highlighting brush. Not even a fan brush in sight. I will find my highlighting brush. Okay, I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold side. Ooh, yes. Blind me. And on the tip of my nose, right here, and right there. That is my look for now. I will come back with some lipstick and my hair and outfit all put together. Okay, so I am all ready. My hair is done and I'm wearing my J. Crew off the shoulder shirt, which is probably gonna drive me nuts, but I think it's so cute. And so I'm going to finish off my final like get ready with me makeup look with my favorite lipstick right now. It is the, what is this? The Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in Pulse, and this is my favorite. So I don't even line my lips. Oh, toothpaste. Voila, and there we go. So this is my final get ready with me look. Thank you so much for watching and sitting through all my chit chat. If you have any suggestions of videos that you want to see or products that you want me to review, or just say hey, let me know down in the comment section. I would love to talk with you. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!